My car's working again.
Yay!
Look at all these fucked up cars everywhere. Like they think they can do whatever the fuck they want. This is Taryn. She's my best friend, aka my twin. As you can tell why. Look at the. No, look at it. Like look at it. Look at it.
What?
So they know why we're twinnies. Can you see it? Look to the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? That's just it. You know I'd walk 1,000 miles if fucking white chicks were that one guy. He's all like, tonight. And he starts rocking out with her. Remember, he tries to like turn her off, but he's just like, okay, so we finally got my tire fixed. We're on the way to get Taryn home to get ready for work.
I'm driving her car because
she knows this area better, and I live here.
But I work over here, so I have a reason.
I have worked over here, and I still don't know.
Not even. My store's like 2 streets that way.
Yeah, like, and there's the airport.
We don't ever
take the airport tunnel turn. We don't take the airport route. Fuck that, because it gets us all fucked up every time.
We've tried so many times.
So many times.
We lost hope, and we just don't even.
We
bother.
just take side streets. Like it's actually longer. I think it takes longer, but with our sense of direction, it is actually faster because we don't get lost and have to backtrack.
Time
would pass us by, 'cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I can just say you. I could would pass me by. Walk 1,000 miles. Walk. I'll hold you. We're closing ourselves. Yeah, go motherfucker. Fucking car. I might have to edit out their plate. It's Pussycat. It's PC Cat. So I think of that as Pussycat. How about you? Alright. End of this part of the vlog. Get back to you when we're out of this crazy hectic traffic. Ah, we almost got into a car accident because this fucking idiot. He's probably wondering why I'm filming him too. Yeah, so before we get in a car wreck, if we're still alive, catch our next vlog. Bye! Bye! Peace out!